Change remote batteries. Fire TV Stick. Remote sure is power hungry. We have seen the Fire TV Stick remote draining out batteries in less than a month. The remote does showcase a red LED at the top showcase that it's running on a low battery. If you notice the same, change the batteries immediately. Using the Amazon Fire TV Stick on a low battery will result in sluggish performance in the UI. Overheating Fire TV Stick. Your Amazon Fire TV Stick stays connected to a power source with your TV. If you use the Fire TV Stick for an extended period, it might result in overheating on the device. It can lead to lag on Fire TV Stick. Check the Fire TV Stick, and if you notice overheating, then plug it off from the TV and power source. Let it cool down and then reconnect it to the TV. Restart Fire TV Stick. Step 1. From the Fire Stick home, go to Settings. Step 2. Move down to the My Fire TV menu. Step 3. Select Restart and you are good to go. Use fast internet connection. The default Fire TV Stick interface needs a good internet connection to load the recommendations for you. If you are using a slow internet connection, Fire Stick will have difficulty showcasing content to you. It can create a lag on Fire TV Stick, even though nothing is wrong with the device itself. Go to Settings Connections and make sure to select a Wi-Fi network with fast speeds. If you are using 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi frequencies, then go with 5.0 GHz frequency for better speeds. Clear App Cache. Step 1. Open the Fire TV Stick Settings menu. Step 2. Go to Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Step 3. Select an app and click on Clear Cache from the following menu. Uninstall irrelevant apps. Step 1. Go to the Fire TV Stick Settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Step 3. Select an app you want to remove and click on Uninstall from the following menu. Update Fire TV Stick software. Step 1. Open the Settings menu and go to the My Fire TV menu. Step 2. Select About, and if there are updates on the Fire TV Stick, you will notice an option to install updates on the device.